Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video I want to discuss the less than or equal to operator in C. So I've included my header file and I've created my main function. So let's write a little program. So I'm going to declare a constant that's an integer, and we'll call this Crowley's underscore age, and I'm going to set that equal to 357. I'm also going to create an integer called age, and I'm going to print F a statement. How old was Crowley at the end of Supernatural? Okay. And then I'm going to scan F, and I'm scanning in an integer value. So I'm going to do %d, and we're going to do the age, but we have to put the ampersand in front of it because it's not a character array. And then I'm going to include the less than or equal to operator. So I'm going to say if age, and then the less than or equal to, we do the less than symbol, and then equal is less than or equal to Crowley's age. We'll say something like printf, your guess was not greater than Crowley's age. And do a /n for formatting to bring it down to the next line. At the end of this function, we will return 0. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do is I am going to now open up the terminal, and let's compile this. So we'll do less than or equal to, and we'll output less than or equal to. All right. And now we'll run it. So how old was Crowley at the end of Supernatural? We'll say 340. And we'll say your guess was not greater than Crowley's age. Let's run this again. How old was Crowley at the end of Supernatural? We'll say 357. Your guess was not greater than Crowley's age. But now let's try 358, and we get no response because we only have an if statement, not an if else or if else statement. Anyways, I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, as it really does help the channel grow. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day.